converted into how many states? Yes, Divya.
Matter is divided into 3 states. It is solid, liquid and gas.
Yes, in solid states, as I was talking about the atom, which is of similar kind, and if the molecules, 2 or 3 different types of atoms join together is called molecules. That is clear, right? And here in a solid state, all the atoms or molecules are totally packed. It's called as a molecules only. All the molecules are totally packed together, so the density will be very high. And no interparticular space between the molecules. But if you see some space is there between the, you can see some space which is there inside the liquid. It means it is a freely flowing void in the liquid. If you are seeing in the gaseous state, actually it's not exactly, but in a gaseous state the tiny particles will never be observed. If it is observed also in a very small manner, children, like this 1 or 2 here or there it will be there, and interparticular space will be very high in your gaseous state. And now coming to your sound, how the sound is travel? If anything is totally packed, sound will travel. How it travels? It fast or slow? Fast. If it is normally packed, the flow is there. So comparing with this one, the sound will travel here little bit slow. And in your gas state, the sound will travel very slow. Did you if you go to any open room, if you shout, the resounds will come it back. But if it is a closed pack, the resounds will come it back. No. Why it is not happening? Because the intermolecular space is very high in an empty space. And next, coming to your, in this state, the important thing you need to see that in a solid state everything is closely packed, so the collision will not be occurred. In your liquid, 1 or 2 particles will move here and there, and the collisions may be happen. In your gaseous state, it will not happen because very minute particles will be there and no collision will be happen in the gaseous states. Now these type of force, they have been converted into 2 different categories. What are these categories? Force of addition and force of collision. What is the force of addition? For this purpose I made all this in a same manner. The force which is of same kind,